Hey, it's David from Wise Buys. Today we're going to review the HoMedics white noise sound machine. I'll go over the pros, cons, the 6 different sounds, how it works, and whether or not this is a wise buy. Personally, I love this machine. We've been using it for about 3 years, ever since our daughter was born, and she just turned 3 recently. It is a lifesaver. So I'll go over some of the features. We have the volume button right here. You could turn it. I'll go over the sounds in a moment. There's also the timer, so you could do 60 minutes, 30 minutes, or 15 minutes. And whenever you press it, from that moment, as soon as it lights up, 15-minute countdown, it'll turn off. There is a DC jack in the back with about a 5-foot cord from the wall. Or if you want, you could use AA batteries. 4 AA batteries right here. It has some rubber on the bottom to prevent it from slipping. It's about 2 inches in the back right here. It goes to almost nothing, and it's 6 inches long right here. Speaker right in the front. So let's go over the 6 different sounds. I'll share that with you, and I'll go over the pros, cons, and whether or not this is worth getting. So first, let's start with thunder. So this is like a rain and thunder sound. You can hear that. Make it a little louder. Next is ocean. Kind of like the crashing waves. Next is brook, so kind of like a river sound. Next is summer nights. So this is kind of like a cricket, wind, cicada type of sound. And what we use for our daughter every night is rain. This one does not have thunder, so the thunder is thunder and rain. The rain is just rain. Thunder scares my daughter, so we just have the rain. And then we have the regular white noise, where it's just a constant sound. So those are the different sounds. The cons, I would say there are no cons. This is very durable as well. Through the years, we've had hardwood floors, and my daughter has thrown this on the floor multiple times. It's still going strong. We take this on every trip. It's very small, light, easy to pack. So there's no cons with this. Whether or not this is a wise buy, I would say absolutely. You could use this for a relaxing room to go to sleep with, in your office to have a lot of different sounds. This is probably one of my most favorite products in the house, and it's definitely a wise buy.